Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to set up the Elgato Prompter XL. This prompter works with cameras, webcams and mirrorless setups. And the installation is also simpler than it looks once you know the exact order. So first of all, you need to start by unboxing the Prompter XL and placing the main frame on your desk or the tripod. Then you need to attach the glass frame by sliding it into the top mount until it locks. Make sure the reflective side faces you and the matte side faces the camera for a clear display. Next, you need to mount your camera behind the prompter. If you are using a DSLR or mirrorless camera, you can attach it to the rear plate using the included screws. For webcams, you can use a adjustable bracket so that the lens sits at the center height of the glass. Once the camera is aligned, you can connect the built-in display using the included USB cable. Then you can open the Elgato camera hub and prompter software, and you can select the Prompter XL as your display source. You can also load the scripts, the mirror text, and even stream your monitor to the glass so that the words appear perfectly readable while you are recording. You can also adjust the brightness inside the software, fine-tune the angle of the glass, and make sure that the camera can still focus through the reflective surface. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.